Matt Perry, level 3 sport. I've sort of done sport like my whole life, and I sort of had a ticket for GCSE and I liked it then before I wanted to carry it on, so it did just sport at college. It's quite close to my home, and they've got a good course here with good teachers. They're supportive, and if you need any help, and they're fine, like perfectly good to go to. And we've done lots of like outdoor adventurous activity stuff, a lot of science based, like A&P. Sort of how all the body works and that sort of stuff, and then done a bit practical with it. Got a little bit of assessment, but then it's also assessment on like the theory side of it as well, like the rules and how it all works and that sort of stuff. We've got access to the gym and the sports hall down the leisure centre just down the road. We have access to this 3G. Then we've got the sports hall and stuff in the college, which is good.